to Annabella. Hooray!
Hello.
Kylie.
Kylie, do you want a candle? You can. Taste it. That's icing. It tastes good. It's yummy, yummy.
Taste it, don't bite.
Good? She is Ben's cousin, Kylie. Kylie, this is Milo.
Can you say Milo?
Who? No.
And this is Leo.
That's why I made Rice
Is it
Krispie.
Leo?
Yeah, it's got the Rice Krispie.
Say Leo.
Leo.
Hi, Kylie.
Mom, do you want to cut for me?
Sure.
Thanks.
Who's that little kid?
You
Who's the
might
little
wanna
kid in the
back
middle?
Ben. You want to give me a, where's the knife?
Sing, Kylie, sing.
Happy birthday to you, Ababa.
Whose birthday is it?
Ababa.
I told you. Home Depot, you said Walmart. Walmart.
No.
Bring the candle.
Yo, mama. Yo, mama.
Either Costco or Lowe's. Home Depot or Lowe's.
Okay, we've got to move her down now.
Let's go, Kylie.